Resilience begins as a whisper beneath a white crown. A dandelion lets go. One tiny achene rides the breeze. Not yet, it practices patience, then settles on open soil. Water wakes it. The coat loosens. A root dives, a shoot finds light. Two flat leaves form a green rosette, storing quiet strength. Storms lean on it. It bends, not breaks. That is resilience. Days repeat. Push, rest, try again. A hollow stem rises. A yellow face opens to the sun. Bees trade gold for gold. Time gathers. Soon the head turns silver, crowns ready to travel. This is resilience. Float, root, rise, and begin again.